Microsoft is starting to test Alexa support on the Xbox One today with its Xbox Insiders. The software giant is launching an Xbox skill for Alexa that will allow Echo, Sonos and several other Alexa-enabled devices to control an Xbox One. With the new ability, you can turn on an Xbox One with your voice, play games, adjust the volume, capture screenshots, start transmissions, and more. The commands will work as Alexa, start Destiny 2 inches. While Microsoft has always supported Kinect on Xbox One to do many of these things, since the company is no longer making Kinect, this Alexa integration is clearly the next logical move. There were rumors that Microsoft may include the integration of the Google Assistant on the Xbox One, and it seems that it is now likely. Microsoft says that it will continue to evolve this experience and increase our voice integration into devices, digital assistants and voice services, suggesting that we will see other voice aids appear on the Xbox One in the future. Microsoft has also been working with Amazon to integrate Alexa and Cortana, and a preview of this feature is available in Alexa and Cortana.